Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, as we all know, Shebeshkt was involved in a car accident that took the life of his daughter. May her beautiful soul rest in peace. So Shebeshkt has gone back to work. He is back in the game. He is attending gigs, he is attending events. So he recently showed up at an event where he was performing without his t-shirt, guys. He was performing without his t-shirt, and as we all know that during the accident he also got serious injuries, right? He got serious injuries. His leg was not well. He was not well. He also had a bandage around his head. He had a lot of things, guys. He was going through the most, going through the pains, and also going through the loss of your child. And also social media nayo ngapha, they are saying their own things, that you sacrificed your own daughter so that you can be rich or to join the what gang. Like, one thing about people, they will always talk. So this is the video of Shebeshkt. As you can see the scar there on his back, he was badly damaged, guys. He was badly injured, but you can see that it's healing now, and he is just free to go there, and just perform, because he has been performing without t-shirts all along, but you can still see that, it was bad. It looks like he burned, but you can see that it is coming together. It is healing, and I am glad that he didn't let that stop him from performing. He didn't let it stop him from being the topless nigga that other people know him to be. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, guys. Please don't forget to watch the ads. Please watch the ads, guys. We are finally monetized in this channel. And also please support the channel by sending super thanks. I would really appreciate it. I will see you on my next one.